I sent a letter to Lizzie today. Can't wait to see her new swimwear.
What is Lizzie doing in Chicago?
Working on her new swimwear line, Fenton Fox.
Sounds amazing. Can't wait to hear about it.
What?
Fenton Fox. Oh, that suit is so cute.
It is. It's a Fenton Fox.
Oh, whoa.
Guys, like, look how awesome that fabric is.
Oh, it looks like real grass and sand.
Hey, that's my suit.
My God, that's amazing.
Don't buy suits that come off at the wrong time.
Fenton Foxes
Don't come off! Even underwater. And remember,
Fenton Foxes.
they're tested against hurricane winds. Don't forget about money. You can afford a
Fenton Fox.
price to fit every budget. So call me now.
Thanks for joining me in reliving some memorable moments in Fenton Fox cinema and to hear about my new Kickstarter campaign. For those of you who don't know me from the movies, I'm Lizzie Cook, founder and designer of an exciting new swimwear company called Fenton Fox. For pretty much my whole life, I've been swimsuit obsessed. My collection grew from 1, 2, to eventually too many to count. Well, it was on a surf trip that I decided I needed to start making my own suits, ones that don't fall off when you hit the waves. So I went home, I started sewing, I made an alright suit, then I made an even better suit, and I just kept making better and better suits. So I was really excited about this, and I decided it was time to bring my designs to the public. Over the past few months, I've been learning the ins and outs of starting my own boutique swimwear line. There's tons of things that need to line up in order to get things going. So I've been focusing on the more cost-effective things, like starting my own website, fentonfox.net, optimizing marketing strategies, and securing a manufacturer in New York. While I'm busy cultivating this new Chicago brand, I'm also planning on the actual production and manufacturing of our debut line. What really makes Fenton Fox stand out is our custom printed fabrics, paired with unique, trend-shaping original designs. The important thing about a new swimsuit is feeling good about how you look in it. Finding the perfect Fenton Fox suit that helps define your uniqueness while looking amazing is our main goal. In order to see these designs become a reality, that's where I'm coming to you for help. I've already put $10,000 of my own savings towards the Fenton Fox goal, which will get me through the patterning and sampling process. Fabrics, patterning, cutting, shipping, and employment will take place at our New York-based manufacturers. This process will take roughly 4 to 6 weeks and cost over $12,000. Your thoughtful and super appreciated donations will go directly toward the production process. So along with the warm, fuzzy feelings you get from donating to Fenton Fox, you could receive some truly amazing gifts. Like a yacht party. Thank you for spending time with us and learning about our company and our intent. I really appreciate the donations that you've made. Thank you from me and Fenton Fox.